Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with some card shares. I recently made these 4 cards. I use this die here that I got from the last convention I went to. I did a haul video for that convention. I will link it here in case you did not get a chance to see it. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing to join me on this crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. So I've also used this die that I've had in my stash. And then recently I did an AliExpress haul where I got this die, this oval die, and I just used this for the sentiments. But let's check these out. So this layering hibiscus die is what I use to make these flowers here, and you can give them dimension, but if you're mailing it you probably don't want that anyway. But that's one of them, and that's just layering this die here, that here, and then the stemma here. And then I did another one. I just layered 2 of this die and offset it a little so that there'd be a shadow piece. And then this is the oval that I used to put the sentiment. And I just put some of these palm ferns and the background. And then I used the oval again and cut out a bunch of these different monstera leaves. I don't know how to say it, but and got that. And then I made a whole bunch more flowers and layered them, and see, they can be a little chunky, but I have a few here. I made actually quite a few, and I just made them using some scratch paper that I had. I was just trying to use up. And so this one I've layered all 3 of the flowers, and they're little you know, they have this, they're only attached in the center. But there's another one, and then I made smaller ones with just the 2 smaller dies and a few of those. So I'm going to use them to make some cards. I cut out some sentiments already that I'm going to use to assemble these cards, and then they will be good to go. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!